For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India is set to breach the 3 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases as the current number of cases stand at 2,97,535. 1,47,195 COVID-19 patients have recovered and discharged, whereas 8,498 patients have succumbed to the deadly virus. Delhi recorded 2,137 COVID-19 cases, its highest single-day spike so far. The total tally in Delhi crossed the 36,000 mark as the death toll due to the virus climbed to 1,214. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hold a fresh set of meeting with the chief ministers of the states and union territories on June 16 and 17. The meetings will be held through teleconferencing. The chief ministers have been grouped into 2 categories. The first category will interact with the Prime Minister on June 16 and the second category on June 17. The video conferencing will begin at 3 p.m. on both days. Supreme Court of India has asked the Indian government to take care of the safety and security needs of the frontline warriors who are involved in a fight against COVID-19. The Supreme Court said that the nation cannot have dissatisfied soldiers in a fight. The court also asked the government to address the grievances of healthcare workers on the payment of salaries. Supreme Court of India asked the employers and employees to strike a balance and arrive at a negotiated settlement on the question of payment of wages for 50 days during the lockdown. Various private firms and associations have approached the Supreme Court challenging the MHA's notification, which has asked the employers to pay their employees even if the industries were closed. The Union Health Ministry is likely to revise the protocols regarding the use of azithromycin in combination with hydroxychloroquine, the anti-malarial drug, for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. The ministry is likely to make the new treatment protocol public soon. Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, has approved guidelines for weekends and holidays. Shops dealing with essential services will be open on all days of the week till 7 p.m. Restaurants, takeaways and home deliveries only, and liquor shops will be open on all days till 8 p.m. Odisha police have collected a fine of 1.25 crore rupees from the public for not wearing masks. In a video conference with Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, the department said that 11.74 lakh rupees was collected for the violation of social distancing rules and 1.03 lakh rupees for violation of curfews during the night. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs has clarified that there won't be any restrictions on the movement of trucks and buses with passengers. The restriction on movement will only apply to individual travelers.